I know that as a community, we are concerned that our people have been killed in very, very mysterious circumstances. And the investigations done are very, very shoddy. And the governments in power always tell us that no stone will be left unturned. And yet no stone is ever turned. No stone is ever turned. And we are not going to continue this way, and we are not going to be quiet when our people are killed like goats. Our people are not goats, and they must be respected as such. When you lose a general, you are not losing a simple person. You are losing the general whose life, who is in charge of the lives of all Kenyans, and who is protecting the security of all Kenyans. And you cannot take it lightly and just tell us that you are going to investigate it yourself. How do you investigate yourself if you are the suspect? That investigation must be done by an independent inquiry of people who are not involved, and it must be public so that Kenyans know exactly what happened. We want to know what killed Ogolla. He was a general. He was not just a family man. He loved his family. That is okay. Loving a family is natural. But then, when you grow, like Raila now, if he dies, and then in mysterious circumstances, and Oburu Odinga as his brother, I protect him and say that don't investigate his death. I know he died just by accident. How can it be just by accident? If he died in a plane, it was either an implosion, explosion, either it was shot, there was a mechanical error, there was a pilot's error, or it was a manufacturer's error. Whatever happened, we want to know. Koro, okadwana dinu nyumo kadho kanyo kamano urjo thurwa party emanya kwa bedie yiero manyone watemka obedo postponed matin to postponement no ena nikech kuonde moko koth chwe mang'eny, floods nyong'eny. Tang'eni wan to nyo waseikre gi jowa, wan waseikre kendo kako yikru ne jakanyanam kar tiendu ikre uraria kaka tiendu chunguru motegno. Erokamano Bishop kuom miyowa thuolo kata wabiro molewo kamano. To onge wach.